Keep it on. Keep it on.
Yeah.
Keep it raw. Is that not blurry?
Yeah.
Alright. So, we are doing a pantry for a house. And we build all these shelves out of MDF. And to make things easier on us, we actually make two separate pieces, here and here. And we use a pocket hole jig. And we actually join the shelves together here and here, instead of making this all one solid piece. It makes it a lot quicker and a lot easier. So today I'm going to show you how we install the shelves. So it's already pre-cut. I'm going to set it in here. Might need a little bit of persuasion. And it's a nice tight fit. I'm going to take this clamp, put it on here. So it's nice and flush. And I just like to take one screw, put it into my pocket hole. I don't overdo it. And then I'll put one in the back here, making sure I hold that shelf down on the nailer. And then come over here, and I have a line made on the vertical. So I'll hold the shelf on the line. Put in my screw. And then another one in the back. And then I'll just go in, put the rest of the screws in so it holds nice and well.